cute. I love it.
This restaurant is so luxury.
I can see the whole city from here.
Choose your favorite food, Elsa.
Yummy.
Excuse me, you dropped your wallet.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
I'm Max. BDW, I have a pool party this weekend. Do you want to come?
Sound fun.
See you there.
The restaurant today had such amazing foods. Next time, Elsa will try chicken dish in there. Also, Elsa thinks Max looks kinda cute.
Amazing.
Hey Elsa, we're here.
Hi Max, your party is so cool.
Let's swim.
Yay.
Catch this, Elsa.
What a fun party! Elsa have won the swim contest in the pool. Do you think she like Max?
You're the best. Thank you so much. So cute. Why did Max go in there with Bella? How dare him cheating with my best friend?
Happy birthday, Elsa!
OMG, I forgot today is my birthday. Thank you guys so much. I love all of these gifts.
Elsa is so happy today. Max and Bella have made her the best birthday ever.